Everybody. So, I found these books today at Goodwill. I just wanted to sit down and try my hand at one of these. I got 4 of them. This one is birds, and then we have inspiration, nature, words of Jesus. So I guess these are some of the pictures. That's cool. I love hot air balloons. I've never been on one because that's scary, but I don't think I would ever ride one. This one I think is like scriptural. Kind of gives you like a picture with scripture. I really want to do the birds one, particularly that one. So that's 28. Let's find 28. I think this is going to be the one. 26. 28. I'll just cut this out. I was thinking about getting some tweezers and doing this in like the official YouTuber way. I'm going to put my scissors back, but I'm going to show you. This is what I keep my scissors in. It's like a little cup that somebody made, and I got it at Goodwill. And you can tell that they probably got frustrated and squeezed it because it perfectly fits like my thumb and my forefinger right there. But yeah, I love it. I was like, I have to have it. Goodwill is kind of where I go for a lot of stuff. I actually just recently got this cup that someone made. Ooh. It's kind of got like this line. It goes sad face, bloop, bloop, happy face. I don't know if there's anything right there. It says, I tried. Let's see. I can't tell what that says. So I'm just going to put my pencils in it. Okay, so we've got page 28. Oh yeah, like I was saying, I wanted to get some tweezers and do this the way I've seen like official aesthetic artsy people do things. They're like, oh, let me just take this off with some tweezers and stick it on. But I don't know where my tweezers are. Well, let's take a look at the reference again. Yeah, I'm really excited I found these. I was like, should I? Shouldn't I? Yes. So this is the picture we're going to do. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. What the heck? What was I thinking? This doesn't look peaceful. BB1. I'm overwhelmed. I'm scared. I'm scared I'm going to do a bad job. Okay, I kind of see why you would want tweezers. So you can actually see where you're placing stuff without my chunky fingers in the way. That looks so good already. Oh, I'm gonna have a drink real quick. I got this elderberry because it's supposed to be good for you, from what I understand. Do you guys know what the benefits of elderberry are? I have no idea. There's so much I want to do. I had to take a break from painting the tray because you want to know why? This is why. The last time I painted it, I felt like it was not going where I wanted it to go. The colors were too muted, but I kind of think that would be pretty, but part of me is leaning towards brighter colors. These colors, as we discussed. I'm indecisive right now, and since I'm indecisive, I figure let's switch gears a bit and do something different, and then we'll come back to it. I found my old tweezers that I used to use for cosmetic purposes, and so I figured we could try both. I don't use these ones anymore. There's like something in this one. Ugh. Oh, it's wood. So we'll try it. We'll try the sharp ones first. So now we're looking for BB2. Why can I not see BB2? Do you see it? Oh, there it is. Okay, in the aesthetic videos, they just pluck it off with the tweezers, but it's not working. Okay, classy. Keep it classy. My gosh, this is not easy. Oh no, there's a white line. It's okay. It's the look. Did I finish my thought about the tray? My thought was, because I'm in a place where I don't know what I want to do, I feel like I'm doing a bad job at it. And I already feel like I felt that way enough today. I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to do something different. 4. I feel like I'm playing bingo. The tweezers make it easier to see where I'm putting it down, that's for sure. But I would think it would be easier if I could like hold it right up in my face. Uh-oh, feathers sticking out. BB5, I already know where you are, girl. I'm coming for you. This is kind of cool. Not even gonna fly. So yeah, I'm not watching Air Force One today. Ooh. So yeah, don't mind the struggle. It's interesting to see how the shapes make up the whole. I was recently talking with my family about bingo. I've never played bingo in like an adult setting, like gambling or whatever, but I want to. Because I don't really think it's gambling, right? It's like playing a game with the opportunity of winning. So my mom watched my videos while she was in town. She gave me some notes. She gave me some notes to think about. One was not to hum as much. So I've been self-conscious about my humming ever since then. So I didn't realize that I hummed so much in my everyday life. I think definitely being on camera makes you more self-aware of like all of your flaws and all of the idiosyncratic behaviors that you have, the verbal tics. Yeah, so I should hum less. I should also be less self-critical. Like if I mess up or I didn't do something, I should just move on. BB8. I guess that's something that I should honestly bring into my real life, because sometimes things happen like over the course of the day that just like, you know, leave a bad taste in your mouth. And you know what I just realized? The cricket is in here. If you guys hear crickets in the background, please forgive me. They've somehow found their way into my house. They're so loud with their chirping. So annoying. I want some to go away. Are they seasonal? Do you think like once the season changes? Oh my gosh. He's chirping again. This is fun. I feel like this could go pretty fast. It's like a puzzle, but it's easy. B10. Bloop. B12. It's like, okay, breathe. Let go of the day. Let go of the day. Oh no. Sometimes I feel like it's hard to let go of the day and to not carry every mistake with you, every irritating thing that people do to you. And I was thinking like, how can I keep going? I think it's really just about reflecting on the things that are going well, or just like thinking about things that you're grateful for. I was like, that's really what's going to get me through this time in my life and pretty much everything. So it's just kind of like just trying to be grateful. Just trying to be grateful. I'm really grateful to be doing videos, even though I only have like a few viewers and they're likely, more than likely, just my family. I'm still really excited for all the stuff that I get to share with the world, all the different books I found and activities. And that's kind of like something I'm really excited and grateful for. When I first discovered these, they were still alcoholic. I don't know if they make those anymore, but I didn't know. And they had like the black and gold border, but I didn't know that they were alcoholic. I was telling my mom, because she was in town at that point, I was like, Mom, these are so good. You have to try it. Like, I feel so great when I drink them. And she was like, Tara, I think there's alcohol in there. And I was like, what? No, it's just like kombucha. It's really good for you. I feel great. And I looked at it. Needless to say, I was getting a buzz. And I didn't even know. It's kind of interesting to see these shapes. By themselves, they don't look like much. But then once you put it in there, B23. Hopefully we'll get back to painting the tray soon. There's so many things I want to do. B27. And all of the content I make will be as riveting as this video. That's my promise to you. B27. How come every number I need to find I can't? Okay, so it's like a triangle shape. B28. Yeah, I kind of messed up with that right there. I definitely see the appeal of using tweezers for this kind of thing. It really allows you to see what you're doing. I'm going to show you what it's like when I do it with my fingers. So I kind of have to get it off. Maybe it'll be better. Maybe I'll have more control. It was better. I don't know. I'm torn. I feel like with my fingers I have more control because I can kind of push and release and all that. With this I have less control, but I can see what I'm doing. Let's do B34. B34. Now I want to use my fingers. I mean, if it's going to look better. That doesn't look that much better. B35. Let's go back to the tweezers. Aesthetics, guys. This is so cool. You can find such interesting stuff at Goodwill or at like a thrift store or an antique store. I definitely have found a lot of neat books lately, like at Bookman's, which is, I don't know if you have Bookman's where you are. It's a used bookstore. And I got a bunch of paper craft books. So like I got some paper dolls, some more paper dolls. B37. 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 It's kind of a crack there. We're almost done. You can definitely hear the cricket that's just haunting me all summer. It makes me think of that book, A Cricket in Times Square. That cricket was cool. The cricket in Mulan, cool. Jiminy Cricket, cool. The cricket here, ruining my shot, bro. Not cool. Yeah, hopefully crickets are seasonal and he'll go away. I've never poisoned a cricket before. I don't really want to do that. I don't kill crickets personally. That's not my thing. Like if I see them, I'll put a cup over them and get like a letter and then like scoop it up and throw it outside. I'm not a cricket killer. Just can't do that. Oh no, right when I was setting it down, it just went blink or blunk and cracked up. BB47. And it's interesting to see the colors that they chose for the shadows. Oh, thankfully, I think the cricket went to sleep. Hopefully he tuckered himself out playing his little leg violin. Oh, cricket from James and the Giant Peach, or Grasshopper. Decent fellow. He was pretty wise, as I recall. What if I use the other tweezers? Surgery, guys. Surgery. Alright. I'm trying to do it the close-up way, but it's just like so much harder with one hand. Okay, alright. BB48. I feel like now we're moving and shaking. We got 3 pieces left. BB48. I'm kind of sad it's over. I don't want to go. I want to hang out some more. BB53. Last one. What do you think? This is the aftermath, which in and of itself looks really cool. And this is our final product. Wow. I just kind of want to flick through a little bit more. See what else there is. So yeah, these are the other pictures. I like that one. That one. Pigeons. Let's see what else. I think basically the back and the front probably shows you what's in here. This one's cool. That one's cool. And then I'll show you the other ones, the front and backs, one more time before we go. Yeah, like I said, I like this one. It's really cool. Nature. I like that one the most. Oh, I already know. I want to do that one. I don't want to mess it up though. That one. These ones are all pretty cool, except for that one. I don't really care for that. But this one, I think that's the next one. These butterflies are really pretty. I wonder if you have to put each piece down. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Ooh, these are really pretty. I love those colors, so pretty. I'm pretty sure these look a lot like some butterflies I made recently, digitally, like the same colors, so I kind of want to compare this to what I made. This one says, peace I leave with you, my peace I give unto you. Not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Yeah, these are so cool. Really, really grateful to have these. I hope that you'll come visit me again. I just want to put it back. Get the trash out of your way. Get the tweezers out of your way. There we go. Thanks for spending time with me.